how some of my trips to the grocery store go. I forget my list, I buy a bunch of fruits and vegetables, and I have really good intentions of using them. But 3 to 4 days later, they're still sitting in the back of my refrigerator. Can you relate? In recognition of Dine-In Day, I'm going to show you a really easy recipe so you can use that bag of spinach or those vegetables that have been sitting in your fridge and pantry just a little too long. First, you're probably asking what Dine-In Day is. It's an opportunity to celebrate and support the Family and Consumer Sciences program and all the work that they do to help make families healthier together. Dine-In Day is today, December 3rd, but we encourage families all week long to pick a time where they can cook together and then enjoy their meal. Our recipe today is homemade pesto, and then we're going to combine it with a winter vegetable and chicken casserole. The winter vegetables I've included in this casserole are butternut squash, red potatoes, red onion, and parsnips. The great thing about this casserole and the pesto is you can switch out any of the ingredients to better fit what you have on hand. During the warmer months, I love to add zucchini and squash instead to the top of the casserole. Try including your family in this recipe by letting them slice the vegetables, season the food, assemble the casserole, and even help you with the dishes. Having your children help you in the kitchen can really improve their self-confidence and set them up for better success when it comes to cooking on their own. The recipe for the pesto and for this meal are available at the link in our bio. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter on our website so you can receive more tips for letting your children help in the kitchen and also a recipe every single month. Happy Dine-In Day! Be sure to try out these recipes or show us if you're celebrating with your family this week.